Yeah, I'm going to show you how to use Trader Cash to backtest your trading with your phone. First of all, go to your browser. I'm going to be using Brave browser for this. Trader Cash. Traders Cash. Yeah. So once the site open, this is how the listing, the homepage looks like. I'm going to sign up another account. So sign up with Google. Let me use maybe this. Right. Yeah. It will tell you to confirm. Sign into Trader Cash. Wait for this to load up. Here we go. This is the home page. This is how the home page looks like. Now to backtest. Click on backtest. New season. You can just pick any name. Just let me add London session. London. London. Balance 1K. Trading pair. Let me choose gold USD. Gold USD. Pick a date. Let's go to September 2024. Yeah. September 11th, 2024. Now, that is it. Now, let's backtest. To backtest, we go here. Let's go. After I've chosen the season, you go to let's go. Wait for it to load up. Once it's finished loading, this is the data. You can see this 15 minutes time frame. Here that the light 15M is your time frame. You can choose any time frame you want to use. Let's use the 15 minutes time frame for this. And this is your play to. So you can see is the 15-minute shot playing out. Is a 15-minute shot playing out. You can also change to now to increase the speed of the candle. Just increase this dot to increase it. You can see, let's increase it. It flows more faster now. As you can see, it flows more faster. Yeah, this side is a drawing tuber. Tuber. I don't think there's something else. I also change time frame from here. 15 minutes. I see. Makes it more faster. As you increase you can still increase this, makes it more faster. So that's it for trader casa. Share bar. Like me want to open positions, it open position, market order, take order. Two, five, three, stop loss. So as you can see, I've opened the position, the entry is here, the share is somewhere down there. So that's let me change the time frame to 4 hours. That's 4 hours time frame. Let's play the back test, see how the market plays out. So you can see we are in massive profits. We are in profits. On a very good day, if I'm on this position, I could have broken even. But this is a back test, so I'm just showing you guys how to use trader cash to back test. In fact, there's no need to wait for it to hit CP or something like that. Let me get more faster. Make it out more faster. I think we hit a sell on that trade. Picks again. They didn't hit a sell.